die Tora. Ich bin jetzt zweite Mal in einem Workshop bei Nandita. Es hat mich sehr, sehr gefreut. Letztes Mal und diesmal auch. Ich danke mir sehr, sehr an Nandita für deinen tollen Workshop. Ich hoffe, es wird nicht die letzte Workshop, sondern weitere Workshops geben, dass ich immer wieder kommen kann und Spaß machen kann.
Hello everybody, my name is Ramona. I enjoyed it, thank you to Nandita. It's the first time ever I participated in a course like this. I think I have still a little bit to learn, but I really enjoyed it and I learned a lot. I didn't know that all my years I was holding the brush the wrong way, and I'm really looking forward to the next time.
Hi, I'm Jagriti. I've been working on watercolors for a while, but this is the first time I'm working on a pattern workshop. It was really interesting. It was a lot of fun, and it was like really nice meeting new people too. I enjoyed it quite a lot.
I'm Apurva and I attended the pattern making workshop by Nandita today. I thought 3 hours was going to be really long, but it just didn't feel like that. I think the session was really interesting and it was my first time working with patterns, so that was like a good way of loosening up with watercolors and gouache and working. So really fun and looking forward to another session very soon.